Hello and welcome to Prudent Food Mania. Happy New Year, first of all. And we are going to start something new in the Prudent Food Mania. And what I'm going to show you today is Pan-Asian food. Yeah, so today what I'm going to tell you is something about a dish called chicken butter pepper garlic with oyster sauce. So as the dish sounds, so I'll tell you something about the ingredients. So today, we are using, the chicken leg boneless, and that's the boneless. This is cut into diced, and the ingredients I have is corn flour, beaten egg, and then I have spring onion, sliced garlic, chopped green chili, then black pepper, and then I have got bell pepper. I've got the red, yellow and green, and then I have some seasoning powder, light soya sauce, oyster sauce, got some sugar and chili oil. I'm just showing you the process to make the chili paste. चिली पेस्ट जो कैसे बनाते हैं, तो ये जो प्रोडक्ट है इसके 3 चीज़ें बनेंगे। तो इसके लिए सबसे पहले हमें 2 चीज़ों की ज़रूरत है। ये है देगी मिर्च, कश्मीरी के नाम से भी जाना जाता है, और ये है गुंटूर। ये आंध्रा का है, ये स्पाइसी है, एंड ये नॉन स्पाइसी फ्लेवर के लिए, इट्स गुड कलर। तो हमने पानी को बॉईल करना है। एकदम जब बॉईल हो जाता पानी, हमने ये कश्मीरी मिर्च और देगी मिर्च कहिए एंड द गुंटूर, जो गुंटूर मिर्च है, इन दोनों को हमने क्या करना है, इसके अंदर डाल देना है। तो डालने से पहले आपने ये इंडक्शन को कर देना है बंद। सबसे पहले मैंने डाल दिया कश्मीरी, और इसके बाद मैंने डाल दिया गुंटूर। अब इनको जेंटली आप सोक कर दीजिए पानी के अंदर। तो इनसे जो है हमारा 3 प्रोडक्ट बनेगा: रॉ चिली पेस्ट, कुक चिली पेस्ट एंड चिली ऑयल। रॉ चिली पेस्ट को आप 1 वीक तक रख सकते हैं, एंड जो कुक चिली पेस्ट है अबाउट 2 वीक्स टू 3 वीक्स, एंड चिली ऑयल को आप रख सकते हैं टिल अबाउट 4 वीक्स टू 5 वीक्स। बस ये हो गया। अब आपने इसको छोड़ देना है इन अ डार्क प्लेस फॉर एटलीस्ट 10 to 12 आवर्स फॉर फर्मेंटेशन। तो अगले दिन सुबह जो है इसमें से बबल्स आने शुरू हो जाएंगे, एंड देन द नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस स्टार्ट्स।
So this is the raw chili paste. This we have made by straining the fermented chilies which were fermented overnight for 10 to 12 hours. Has been strained and grinded in the mixie. So this is the raw chili paste, and we're going to make 2 more products.
गार्लिक पेस्ट एंड चॉप्ड अनियंस। तो इन तीनों चीज़ों की हमें ज़रूरत पड़ेगी। ये हमने पहले बना रखा है। दिस इज द रॉ फर्मेंटेड चिली पेस्ट जो मिक्सर में हमने ग्राइंड कर दिया है। तो नाउ वी हैव पुट ऑयल इन इट, सो जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर द ऑयल टू बिकम लिटिल हॉट। Yeah, so the oil seems to be hot. So for first, what we will do is we'll put the onions. So we just wait for it to brown. थोड़ा प्याज को हम ब्राउन कर लेते हैं। गार्लिक पेस्ट जो है हम बाद में डालेंगे। So you can well see it. The onions are getting little brown. तो थोड़ा कलर लेने लग गया है. तो अब इसमें जो है मैं I'll put the garlic. I have used 5 medium-sized onion and I have used about 100 grams of peeled garlic, and the raw chili paste what I made, ये मैंने बनाया है 250 grams of each. That means 250 grams of Kashmiri degi mirch and 250 grams of Guntur mirch. So we just brown it a little bit more. So as you see, the onions have got nice golden color, caramelized. So now we are going to add on the raw chili paste. So I take this raw chili paste. So you'll have to keep the flame on medium. Medium flame पे अभी इसको कुक करना है. Why on a medium flame and why there is so much of oil? I'll tell you the reason later on. So we'll have to cook it for some time, maybe about 5 to 7 minutes. So see the color. So now this cooked chili paste is ready. So we'll have to just put up the flame. So I put up the flame now and just leave it aside for a few minutes, about 5 minutes or so, so that you have the oil floating on the top. So the oil which is floating on the top will be the chili oil, and the rest of the paste is called cooked chili paste. And you did see the raw chili paste. तो 3 प्रोडक्ट आपके हो गए. रॉ चिली पेस्ट आपने पहले देखा, ये कुक चिली पेस्ट है, और इसको बस 5 मिनट तक हम ठंडा करने रखेंगे. तो ये जो सारा ऑयल है ना, ये ऊपर आ जाएगा. इसको आपने अलग करके रखना है. तो वो लेटर मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि कौन से डिश में, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द प्रिपरेशन, व्हाट मीट यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग, व्हाट वेजिटेबल्स यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग, सो किस खाने में क्या लाइक गार्लिक इज यूज्ड और जिंजर इज यूज्ड. सो अकॉर्डिंगली वी हैव टू पुट डिफरेंट चिली पेस्ट. सो नाउ द चिली पेस्ट इज रेडी, कुक्ड चिली पेस्ट. सो दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू स्ट्रेन इट. So we have strained it, and so that's the cooked chili paste. And what you have is 2 products: the cooked chili paste and the chili oil. The chili oil you can preserve it for 6 to 8 weeks. This also for about 4 weeks you can preserve it. The raw chili paste you can preserve it for about 1 to 2 weeks, but in the refrigerator.
kadhai. Perfect butter chicken at home.
Wow!
Heavy gauge kadhai, Futura.
Futura stir fry wok. Perfect stir fry noodles at home.
Wow!
Heavy gauge stir fry wok, Futura.
Futura saucepan. Perfect tomato soup at home.
Wow!
Heavy gauge Futura saucepan.
Futura frying pan. Perfect chicken cutlets at home.
Wow!
Heavy gauge frying pan, Futura.
Ma, what are you cooking today?
Navratan korma. But not I. You shall make it because you have to set up your own home.
Okay, Ma, but quickly.
Then take this Futura. This takes less ghee or oil. Now, put vegetables in. Now, close the Futura and see how fast the Futura cooks. See, such a difficult dish was made so easily.
Ma, thank you.
The beautiful pressure cooker for beautiful people, Futura.
We've changed so much. But not Priya. Are you dieting, huh? Not at all. I eat what I want. So what's your secret? Come, let me show you. Here's my Futura pressure cooker. Wow. It needs less oil. Healthy. It doesn't whistle. Yes, it's an advanced cooker.
Futura pressure cooker for healthy and tasty food. From Hawkins.
We have already told you about the chili oil part. How do you make it? I've got some butter. First, you'll have to heat some oil. And on the side, I have some, I'll just show you. I have some chicken stock here. So I'm just waiting for the oil to heat up. Until then, I'm going to do the marination. So that's the diced chicken. So I've added some beaten egg, bit of corn flour, and then some seasoning powder. One thing you'll have to remember about this dish, the ingredients what we are using, you don't have to add the salt because the seasoning powder has got salt in it, the oyster sauce has got salt in it, and the light soya, it's got salt content in it. So please don't add salt till the end. So now the next process is, you have the marinated chicken diced with egg and corn flour. So we're going to fry it. You'll have to remember one thing, after marination, you'll have to keep the chicken for at least 5 minutes. And please don't use excessive corn flour because it makes it very crisp and when you eat, you don't feel the chicken. You feel corn flour coming into you. Just for about 3 minutes or so. I'm sure today is going to be a surprise for you. Nice flavor of oysters, and as the dish sounds, chicken, butter, pepper, garlic. So butter, pepper. We have black pepper, we have colored peppers. You want to add up the spice level, I have the green chilies, of course. And of course the oyster sauce. So the chicken is fine and tender. See, that's how the chicken should look like, It should not be like, you have those pakoras. Pan Asian cuisine is not pakoras basically. You should have a feel of the chicken. So now we just have to do the finishing, okay? So now as the dish says, chicken, butter, pepper, garlic with oyster sauce. So the first thing what we need is butter. So I'm adding some butter to it. Don't let the butter burn out because butter very soon it burns out. So butter is in. So now garlic. And then we have the bell peppers. Mixture of bell pepper. We have different colors, yellow, red and green. Just give a stir fry. Don't overcook it. Put the gas on low flame. Add the chicken. Now we add the black pepper. So butter is in, pepper is in, garlic is in, and now oyster sauce. Like I said before, don't add salt. Use very moderate level. You get different brands, whatever brand you choose. So this is the oyster sauce. This is the light soya, not the dark soya. Dark soya, it'll give a bad color to it. And that's the seasoning powder. Again, you get different brands. A bit of it. This dish will not be dry, neither will be with gravy. So you're going to finish it up with the chili oil. Chili oil will give a nice color to it and a nice flavor to it. And to spice up a bit, adding little green chili and the spring onions. So it's done. So easy. If you want to make it little gravy, you can add little chicken stock to it. But I'm making it, semi-dry because, it's got all these sauces. And if you want to have it as a main course, you can have it with udon noodles or tepan noodles or in fact sticky rice. So let me see how it's done up. So that's the chicken butter pepper garlic. I can smell it. Lovely smell. That chili oil, And the best part is the chili oil, what you have seen the process, you can store this without refrigeration, guarantee for 8 weeks. Cook chili paste for 4 to 6 weeks. Raw chili paste in refrigeration 2 weeks. So let me give it a try. So the dish is ready. Like I said, you can make udon noodles, tepan noodles or sticky rice. You can have it with it. Let me see. See the flavoring agents. Light soya, oyster sauce, black pepper. All flavorful thing. Garlic, the butter. Out of the world. And the most important thing, it's very easy and very quick to make. Bon appetit. So, how did you like the episode? Prudent Food Mania. Very simple recipe. So, please try it and do give me your feedback. But before I leave, till next week, I have a question for you and I have a surprise also for you. 2 complimentary vouchers I have. You could win it. I'm going to ask you a very simple question and related to this episode. The chili paste, what we used, you'll have to tell me, there were 3 different variants. When you see the process of making chili paste, there are 3 different variants. You'll have to tell me which product has got the longest shelf life. You can send your answers in the email ID below. Thanks till next week. Bye-bye.